Welcome! This tutorial will provide you with a basic overview on how to request scans of archival materials and rare books held in special collections at USC Libraries. If you are interested in searching for and requesting rare and archival materials to view in person, or want to learn more about USC Libraries special collections, see our other tutorials on these topics. In this example, we will use the Carpe Diem press records, which are held by special collections, to demonstrate how to request scans of archival materials. If you would like to request scans for rare books, you can follow the same procedure. If you are not familiar with searching and requesting materials from the finding aid or the library catalog, please watch our other tutorials. On the right-hand side of the finding aid, which is the inventory of this collection's content, you can find specific parts of the collection to request. Let's choose Kiki Smith and Susanna Moore, Hunters and Gatherers, 2003, and then focus specifically on test prints. Now you are ready to request. Click the Request button in the top right corner of the screen, and then confirm that this is the portion of the collection you are interested in. You will be redirected to our Specialized Research Collections request system to log in or create an account. Choose the correct category, either USC students, faculty and staff, or other users, and follow the instructions to log in or create an account. The first page you will see after logging in is the collection request form that you can fill out if you want to view an item in person in our reading room. To switch to requesting scans, click the link just below the page title that says Switch to Reproduction Request. Required fields like title, library, and collection number or call number are auto-filled from the finding aid or records page. All requests are fulfilled with high-resolution scans, which can be used for publication or commercial use, as well as for personal research. Scans will be sent electronically when they are completed. If you have additional information, for example, specific pages or images within your request that you are interested in, enter them in the Additional Information text box under Request Information. You can also use the My Notes field to enter any personal notes for your own reference later on. Click Submit Request and you will be shown a confirmation of your order. Please note that members of Special Collections or the USC Digital Library, which handles photoduplication requests, will be in touch to get clarifications on orders and inform you of necessary charges. Once your request is complete, your scans will be emailed to you for download. If you would like to cancel your order, click on the Actions button and choose Cancel Request from the drop-down menu. You will see a message at the top of the page confirming cancellation. If you have any questions about your photoduplication request, email Special Collections at specol@usc.edu. Thank you for watching this tutorial on requesting scans of archival materials and rare books from Special Collections.